I would like to be the first to welcome you to the first ever Night at the Races. Sponsored by Canoe River Campground. I would like to explain tonight's program in order for you to be familiar on what is going to happen. Tonight, Night at the Races will be having 6 races, which includes a daily double for races 4 and 5. I would like to assure you that I or neither anyone in attendance right now